Alright, here we go. Got another test for y'all. After doing the cantaloupe pop test and seeing the bullet, just kept going. I'm gonna figure trying something out. This is like a combination of a deep penetration and a flour expansion combo, so a flour deep combo. We're gonna see what this bullet does after it hits the flour, and then how deep it'll go into the 2x6s behind it. So y'all stay tuned and get ready. It's gonna be a party on the range. Yeah, rock and roll. Rock and roll. Of water, it kept going. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we got right here. This is a 45 long colt, Precision 1 flour deep penetration combo. Alright, we're gonna try that again. This is gonna be one of the most short-lived rails I've ever produced. I hit the bottom of the board, it went low. Alright, here we go. Let's try it again. Alright, we did go low. Still nailed the flour. And we punched through the first board. And actually putting it together, it did not technically clear the first board. It just, it basically just split it off. So there we go. That's a more cool thing. So there we go on the flour deep penetration combo. We got about halfway in. Alright, here we go. This is the flour deep combination results of the 45 long colt bullet. Yeah. This is a combination of the flour because it went through those 3 jugs. Excuse me. Went through those 3 jugs, so I was just curious. And we went through the flour. We nicked it. And as you can see, it didn't technically go all the way through. It split the board. But we can get an idea roughly how far it did go in to the board. And I'm gonna say we're gonna call it right about there. And so it went in almost 3/4 of an inch into the board, halfway. Not too bad. I mean, here's a bullet, what we have left of it. I mean, it's a little deformity going on, not a whole lot. Like I said, if we get it through a carbine, there'll probably be a lot different results going on there. Let's see what we got on the weight left over. 255. Yeah, it was nothing really. 253. That's where we're at. It's 253.4. So didn't lose anything on it. As you can see, I'm not even going to measure it. But there we go. And there you are. So on the flour deep combination test, we punched the flour and we went in about a 1/2 inch board. So I think that might start being a regular test on other bullets, more higher powered rifle bullets. Hit the flour and see how deep they go. So there we go. Thanks for watching.